Are you thinking about selling your own home? Here's what you must know. Hey guys, thanks for tuning back in. My name is Robert Mack with 5 Realty. Today I'm talking to all the homeowners out there that want to sell their home on their own. Here's the bottom line. Buyers buy based on emotion. The higher the emotional connection the buyer gets when they walk into your property, the more money they will offer. And as a seller, that's exactly what you want. So what are the 5 ways to maximize the emotional connection? Number 1, make repairs before you list. Whether they're eyesores or known defects, fix them. Number 2, paint. Does your home show like it's dark or does it look old and outdated? Brighten up the paint with some fresh white paint. Number 3, carpet. If you have carpet, does it look good or is it old and ratty? Consider cleaning it. Consider replacing it. Number 4, design. Your home can't be decluttered and the buyer will have a high emotional connection. They're going to want to walk in and fall in love. So make sure you declutter, and better yet, hire a stager or designer and have them design the entire space. And number 5, price. Everybody wants an attractive price. Do not overprice your property to sell. Make sure you price it at or slightly below market value for the best results. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found value in today's video. If you did, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll talk to you next time.